Gemma?
What?
What have you done?
Booked a holiday.
Pontins?
Centre Park.
Skegness?
Bob Norwegian.
Have a gissy?
I'm just, you know, can't help myself.
So, what's the countdown?
226 days, 5 hours and 32 minutes.
Until?
Florida?
We are bad. Well, you only regret the trips you never book.
Exactly.
So it is weekly vlog number I haven't a clue, because we had like 3 weeks off while we went on holiday, and we start this one by saying that we've booked a holiday. But yeah, we are going to continue with the weekly vlogs. We are going to probably make them a little bit shorter because we've got current editing. Well, it's just because I will struggle to edit both a weekly vlog and a Florida day vlog. But you know, I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm a bit excited. It is a bank holiday weekend, so we have 3 whole days of fun and sun, apart from the fact that Gemma's in the work tomorrow and it's currently raining. But plans wise, little few things to do around the house, like tidy it, because it looks like an absolute pigsty since we got home. That's not Matthew's fault. Matthew did a very good job of looking after the house while we were away, apart from the fish, but we'll not talk about that.
Don't mention the fish.
It was only our fish and it wasn't his fault. We had one very old fish who unfortunately shuffled off this mortal coil while we were away. What else was I going to say that's not dead fish? Oh, I've got a few drinks with friends tomorrow, so there'll be a bit of a gap when I go to do that, because it would be really odd to take the camera along to people who don't actually know that I vlog, apart from one of them. And Sunday, Monday, we probably, I don't know if we're going to go very far, but we'll take you along to whatever we plan to do. We may go out for a little drive somewhere or something. There's lots of stuff on in town that I would have liked to have gone to, but it's probably going to be carnage in town. So there we go, an exciting start to the weekend vlog that we've literally 5 minutes ago just booked a trip.
Yeah.
So it is Saturday. Weather is mixed, considering we're supposed to be having a barbecue later today, and it's also very windy. But before we do have a barbecue, regardless of whether we do or not, I need to clean it. It's not been cleaned in some time because we haven't had a barbecue for 2 years. Oops. One moderately clean barbecue. Needs a bit of a wipe down, but we can get that done. Also, of course, you can't just jet wash, like pressure wash one thing. So I did one flag, just a test for the new one, because I'm going to do the whole lot soon. I did the bird bath, and I also did the bins. Well, these two anyway. I still need to do this one, but it's full. I was just about to say I'm back, and the barbecue is lit and ready to burn. But I've just come out and realised the wind's blown it out again. Gemma's here making sure we don't get food poisoning. You're good at this, aren't you? Mm-hmm. And we got some heat up on that barbecue very quickly. And the barbecue is done. And bucket ahead. Good afternoon, Gemma.
Good afternoon.
We finally got the cases upstairs. We need to update that countdown though, because that's no longer accurate. Plan for today was originally to go and have a last minute trip to the zoo. It's getting quite late, it's like 3 o'clock now, because I overlied a bit and Gemma overlied a bit, and jet lag, probably the last bits of it are still affecting us with sleep schedules. But the weather's literally just changed, like huge clouds have just rolled in, so we're thinking we're just going to go over to see my mum and dad. So our intention to have a second, oh, I've just scared some pigeon. Our intention to have a second barbecue tonight has been kiboshed by the presence of ominously large clouds over there, which are apparently bringing rain. So this thing will have to wait until tomorrow. Gemma thinks I'm talking to strange women on the phone in the garden, but I'm actually vlogging. Here's our Chinese. We have chips, chow mein, ribs, wings, and you got steamed sumai, didn't you? And this morning I spent most of the morning cleaning pots, and we're about halfway through finishing them. Oh blimey, that does look good. And we use the barbecue sauce over the chow mein for a bit of extra flavour as well. Typically, after not having our barbecue last night, having a really nice Chinese meal, it didn't rain at all, which has given me a chance to get out here this morning and get this lawn mud. Blimey, it's warm out there. So, since we'd spent most of the weekend in the house on video, we decided to bring you out. We're in Liverpool city centre, which is absolutely heaving for reasons.
Holiday.
Yeah, it's a bank holiday Monday and it's the Tall Ships Festival, so we're going to go and have a wander down to the dock in a bit. Blimey, there's a lot of people about. Is there a Primark sale on or something? I think the last time we came down here I mentioned there was a fountain here. And there it is, it's running today because it's lovely and sunny. So if you go back through our weekly vlogs, you'll see when we were last here and it was much quieter and colder. And now it's absolutely heaving. Look, the Ferris wheel actually has customers today.
Carousel.
Oh yeah. Well, did I call it a Ferris wheel on the last video as well? I keep getting them mixed up. Jem, I was promised tall ships. Apparently the tall ships people are looking for people ages 8 to 800. RNLI? Canal and River Trust? There's a seaman's choir over there. Yeah, that is the Liverpool version of the Dapper Dance. They sound good. There's a big rat over there. I'd like to take you closer, but it's a little too busy. Plus you've seen one giant rat, you've seen them all.
It was a giant cat.
It was a giant rat?
The cat chasing the rat.
Well, that one at the back looked like a rat.
The cat chasing the rat.
Jury is out. In classic Mark and Jem scheduling effort, we got here at 1:30 and the tall ships left at lunchtime. Can't get too far in Liverpool without hearing Beatles covers. I just nearly walked into a bollard. Dangers of vlogging. Ah, I see. And we have a very sunny Liver building. So Gemma is much better at this vlogging than I am, pointed out that the Beatles statue's here as well.
Everyone says the queue to get your picture with it.
Yeah, it's quite busy today.
Come back. Popular than Mickey Mouse.
Come back tomorrow. Yeah, the International Horse Festival show, sorry, has like a pony ride thing going on as well. Gemma really wants to go to that, don't you?
Yeah.
And I still haven't taken you. Yeah, we got some horse and cart carriages.
Some piebald horses.
Piebald horses. Gemma's the horse expert.
I'm not an expert, but I do like the horses. Giant deck chairs, Jem. And a big whale. That's the second biggest whale I've ever seen. Apparently you can go inside the whale, which sounds particularly unsanitary to me. Yeah.
I used to live there. Next door to Travelodge. That wasn't there.
Up on the coffee bar on the roof.
Oh yeah, there is a bar up at the top of that. But yeah, the building site in between is where I used to live. It wasn't a building site then, funnily enough. It wasn't far off. Student house. So now we're in at Liverpool 1, home of shopping and apparently a flying pug.
You know on Snapchat, it's some phone company.
Oh, I see.
They advertise. Because watch on Snapchat evolved and turned into a pug of flight from a pug of kill.
Snapchat is a weird place. Let us never talk about it again. Yep, weird. And we parked on the 6th floor of John Lewis, which I've just run up the steps for and I'm now shattered. But from up here you can get a good view of some city sights. Up there we have St John's Tower, home of Radio City. The Liver building's over the back behind the Hilton, so you can't see it from here. Over there is the Anglican Cathedral. And just to the left of that crane you can see the Roman Catholic Cathedral. We're now in some random, rather pretty Georgian terraced houses, street of Liverpool. And the reason for that is we are now going to backtrack towards the Anglican Cathedral, which I mentioned from the car park, to go and have a quick look down there. And there is the Anglican Cathedral,
Or as Gemma calls it, the Gothic monstrosity. So you're right down into the city centre and the liver birds at the back there. And here's the church, cathedral. And this is what we're looking at. The oratory. The gardens are down that way. Literally never been into the gardens. And here's the cathedral. One of a few times on our videos you'll see us going into a church. Peregrine falcons apparently nest here, which is quite cool. Okay, that is pretty awesome. It's lovely and cool in here. It's not so often you find a moon in a cathedral. Gemma, wait for it. That's the second biggest moon I've ever seen.
M-O-N, that spells moon.
Apparently we need to find Derby Mouse and then we can enjoy coffee and a slice of cake. This is a big cathedral. It's been probably 20 years, almost to the year that I came here last. There's a moon for scale. So my takeaway from this particular event is that there are going to be a lot of photos on Instagram of people holding the moon up. Just finish this now, playing some classic metal on the pipe organ, that'd be pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure they're now playing half of my record collection. Take on the steps with a vlogging camera. Moon. Full moon. Half moon. Gemma's just remembered we need to find the mouse. I have to take a sweepstake on whether you get fed up of looking before you find it. Okay, right,
I reckon the peregrines are better.
Probably. It's quite an impressive building without the giant moon in it, isn't it? Back home now. Second barbecue going, and that one's burning a lot better than the last one did. I think the coals on the last one were a bit damp. And of course nothing says summer more than a pint of weak bitter shandy made with a poor bitter and a good quality lemonade. Look at that. Basically all the barbecue food we had left has gone on the barbecue. What we don't eat now we'll have for tea tomorrow. So what a way to finish the weekend vlog. Enjoying our sunny garden. Yeah, they are now weekend vlogs, unless we do anything interesting in the week, so I can get them uploaded so you can watch them at your leisure. Our travel vlog is nearly at 2,000 views in like a 3-day weekend, and we've just hit 1,500 subs. How awesome is that? But anyway, enough from our garden. We'll see you next week. Bye! Gemma's playing Pokemon.
Oh, I'm not playing Pokemon, I'm looking at attraction tickets.
Oh, that's even better, you will allow that. Bye bye. Oh, the battery's running out now.
Bye.
That's definitely a good sign. We should shut up and stop.